Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to create shapefiles or how to edit shapefiles. Shapefiles is a very important component in ArcGIS. Without shapefiles, we can't even think about ArcGIS. So it's very important to know how to create, how to edit shapefiles to produce maps or work with ArcGIS. So let's get started. At first, I want to explain about shapefiles, about the very basic things. Shapefiles is nothing but it's a file actually which we can incorporate in the ArcGIS and produce map. See in the screen we can see a lake type thing in the map. It's a simple map. Uh, there is well and river and lake. Well is nothing but some points which can be treated as point shapefile, and river is nothing but a line like thing. If you want to represent river in a map, so we can show the rivers in the map by drawing line, or if you want to show a pond or area or anything area, let's say with area, so you have to um, go for then uh, polygon shapefile. So lake is polygon shapefile, river is a line shapefile, roads or highways can also be line shapefile, or any other point features, say school, college, oil, it's here oil, and these are point shapefile. So now we will see how to create this point shapefile or line shapefile or polygon shapefile. And this is our ArcGIS interface. If we want to create a shapefile, then just click on Arc, click on Catalog. Go to the folder where we want to create a shapefile. Suppose I want to create a shapefile here. In this folder, I want to create a shapefile. Before doing that, I have to set the data frame properties of this ArcGIS file. To do this, click on View, click on Data Frame Properties. I want to make a shapefile in BTM coordinate system, which is widely used in Bangladesh, so I'm using it. Okay. Now this is my catalog, and I want to create a shapefile here. New shapefiles. Now, which shapefile will you create? You will have to provide this here. If you want to create a point shapefile, click on point. If you want to create a polyline, then polyline, and then polygon, then you can just click on polygon. Basically, these three types of shapefiles are widely used: multi-point and multi-patch. I'm not going to show this. Let's say point, and our coordinate system is BTM. Okay, okay. And this is shapefile is created already. Now you have to click on data, edit features, start editing. Okay. Click here, create features. A new pop-up window will be appear in the right side. Click on new shapefile, and then the lower part, click on point. See, point is appearing in the interface. So where you need the point, just click on it. I need a point, suppose here. Click on it, click on it, click on it. So as much as point you require, you can create point shapefile by clicking like this. So now I want to stop the editing. Click on editor and save edits. Click stop edits. So this is my point shapefile. It has been already created. Now I want to create a polyline shapefile or a river shapefile. Suppose a river is flowing like this, so I want to create a polyline shapefile. Same as point shapefile you have just created, you have to follow same procedure. Shapefiles, this time it is polyline. My shapefile name is river. It is BTM. Okay. So your river shapefile is already created, so now you have to draw the river shapefile. To do that, start editing. See, in the right side, river has been appeared. Click on river. In the lower part, line has been appeared. Click on line. Then draw your shapefile like this, as per your requirement. Suppose my river is flowing like this. If you want to end the shapefile, just double click where you want to end. Now click save edits and then stop editing. Your shapefile has been just created. Now you want to create a lake, suppose in this position. The same procedure you have to follow. Right click here, new shapefile. Suppose it's my lake or pond. Now it's a polygon. Same, the coordinate system is same. Okay, my lake is somewhere here. So this is my lake. If you want to end the polygon, just double click on the last point, so it will be closed automatically, and click on save edits and stop edits. Your polygon has been created. So that's how we can create point shapefile, polyline shapefile, and polygon shapefile as well. Now we will see how to edit the shapefiles. Suppose we want to edit the point shapefile. Point shapefile name is new shapefile. You can just rename it. Select the shapefile and press F2 on your keyboard and just suppose it is our tube well. The original shapefile name has not been changed. So if you want to change the original shapefile, you have to go go to the original directory of the shapefile, or you can change the shapefiles from here. Suppose here, if you want to change the name, suppose this tubal. Okay, now it has been changed. The shapefile has been changed. When you create a shapefile, that's stated 8 files created automatically. See, I want to show you this. See, tubal. There are 8 items under tubal. So if you create a shapefiles, automatically 8 files associated with shapefiles will be created. These are CPG file, DBF file. DBF file is a mainly database file where if you want to save any kind of data under the shapefile, that will be saved in this file. And this is PRG file, that means projection file. Every shapefile has a projection file, in which projection system it will be working. That will be represented by this projection file. The main shapefile is HHP file. Okay. So there will be 8 associated files with shapefiles. And back to the ArcGIS interface. Let's say we want to edit the tubal point shapefile. We want to remove some tubal from this map. Suppose this one and this one we want to delete. So how will we delete it? Start editing. We want to right click on it, open attribute table. See, there are 10 point actually. If you want to select this, click on here. This 2 tubal I want to delete. Just delete selected. It will be deleted. See, it has been these 2 tubals have been deleted here. And if you want to move this point close to this river, then click on select element in this cursor like icon, and then we have to select this table first. Okay, then click on here. Okay. Click on edit tool and see if we put the cursor on this tubal. Just a cross mark appeared, and this cross mark appears, then you can move this point anywhere. Suppose I want to move close to this river. See, it has been moved to the river side. Click on edit, save edits, and stop edits. So my total number of tubal are 10. Now the total number of tubals are 7. FID starts from 0, so total number is 7. Now we will see how to edit a polyline shapefile. I want to suppose edit the river shapefile. Oh, my layer window has been gone. Click on edit feature, start editing. Okay. This is my river shapefile. Suppose I want to remove this portion, then how will I do it? Double click on it. You can move this point like this, it will be shortened, or you can do it by another way. Suppose you have to select the polyline first, click on this icon. This items, this is a split tool. Actually, by this tool you can divide it, the polyline, easily. Suppose I want to divide the polyline here. Now the polyline has been divided into two parts. See, there are two polyline in the attribute table. Now select this. I want to delete this portion, open attribute table. Just, it has been selected already. Now delete selected. See, it has been deleted. Later, save its dollars. Okay. Let's see the upstream and downstream. Of this river. Just now I will do another editing to my channel of this river. Let's say the river will flow in this way, not as is flowing in this direction. How will I do it? Start editing. Click on reshape feature tool. So at first you have to select the river. Now click on the reshape feature tool. My river will be flowing this way. So the shape has been changed. Suppose you want to move this point to upward. How will you do it? Click here, double click here, and see the node will be appeared here. Just click here and drag the point where you want to move. Suppose I want to move this point here, so it will be updated like this if you click outside of the polyline. Okay. If you want to know the last point of your river, I mean the downstream, just double click on the shapefile. See, there is a green square point, start from green and end red square point. So where the red point is located is the downstream portion of the river, or downstream position of the river. To make this red point upstream, and this portion you want to make it downstream, just right click and flip that the direction will be changed. Sometimes you need to do this, so it's better to have knowledge about this. Save it, stop it. Now I want to edit the lake. Right click on the lake feature and start editing. Suppose I want to cut this portion. I want to reshape the lake. So click on, select my lake and click on reshape. this portion, the lower portion, I want to cancel. Just click here. So it has been cancelled, and edit, save it, stop it. You can also reshape this lake by moving the point, the vertices of the point, vertices of the polygon. So edit, start it. Double click on the polygon outer layer. Suppose this point I need to move here, so drag this point here. It will be moved and reshaped. So the lake area has been changed. Servers, storage. So that's how we can edit shape files very easily. This is the part 1 of editing shape files, and the next part I will show some other techniques to edit a shape file. Thanks for watching. In the next video I'll show some other techniques about editing shape files. Till then, bye bye, and subscribe my channel, share with this channel with your friends, share this video with your friends to spread the GIS knowledge. Thank you.